Welcome to our Countertop Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher and the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher A01. Both of these dishwashers are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the right fit for your kitchen. Let's start with the price. The Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $350 United States dollars, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to save money. In contrast, the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher A01 comes at a higher price of $399 United States dollars. While the AIRMSEN is more expensive, it offers additional features that may justify the cost for some users. Next, let's compare the capacity. The Hermitlux can accommodate up to 4 place settings, which is suitable for small households. On the other hand, the AIRMSEN A01 has a larger capacity, accommodating up to 5 place settings, making it a better choice for families or those who frequently entertain guests. Now let's look at the washing programs. The Hermitlux offers 5 washing programs, which are adequate for general cleaning needs. However, the AIRMSEN A01 boasts 7 washing programs, including specialized cycles for delicate items and heavy-duty cleaning. This variety allows users to choose the best wash for their specific needs, enhancing the overall cleaning efficiency. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher and the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher A01 have their unique advantages. The Hermitlux is a great budget-friendly option with essential features, while the AIRMSEN offers more advanced capabilities for those willing to invest a bit more. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.